Hi, I'm Sean Lutley, an instructional designer with Quest Software, and I'd like to welcome you to the on-demand How to Restore a Group and Group Membership video demonstration. So from in my dashboard, I'm going to click on the recovery service. Earlier today I created a backup and unpacked it, so we're going to go to Unpack Backups, and over on the right I did a search earlier for HR, and as you can see under Backup Date, the date was today. So we're going to use this one for the restore, but first we're going to go to Azure Active Directory and we're going to delete this group. As you can see down at the bottom, there's the HR group and we're going to go into it, and you can also see the group membership, and that's the key. There's 3. Let's go ahead and delete this group. Then we're going to go back to the on-demand recovery portal. So I'm going to select today's unpacked backup or unpacked object, and then we're going to perform a restore. Here you have a few options. The first is restore deleted objects from recycle bin. So that's a perfect example for right now because the object was just deleted and the backup was taken. And then if an object is not found in the recycle bin, create a new one. The third only applies if you're in a hybrid situation, which I'm not. The fourth option is restore all attributes, or you can restore specific attributes just by unchecking the box, browsing, and then selecting the ones you want to restore. In this scenario, we're going to want to restore all attributes. And then you have the specify password for encrypted backups. That's only in a hybrid configuration. Then just click OK to restart the restore. At the top, you can see at the green, it says processing one object. Just click view details and it takes you to the tasks. Here you can see the name of the task, which is restore objects. And if you look over on the right hand side under the operation, it says restoring attributes. And then you can see the status in the middle at 50%. And now it's completed. You can tell it was restored successfully by a little green check mark, and then over by operation it says 1 objects were restored. Now let's go back to Azure AD, and you can see that the group is still gone, so we're just going to do a quick refresh. And now you can see it's back. Let's click on it, and you can see the group memberships are back also. And that concludes this video demonstration. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and there'll be many more to come. To learn more about On Demand, visit us online.